The Orion pulse arc welder is simple to use. Touch the electrode to the workpiece with very light pressure. Keep the electrode touching with light pressure while the Orion initiates the welding process. You can stop the welding process at any time by separating the electrode from the workpiece. The Orion's microscope contains an optical shutter to ensure your eyes are protected during the welding process. Using excessive pressure on the electrode will cause the electrode to stick into the molten weld pool, or will quickly degrade the welding electrode with metal contamination. When welding by hand, continue to use light pressure during the welding process. Always protect your eyes. The Orion will pre-darken the auto-darkening lens when plugged in. The auto-darkening lens will darken itself if not plugged in. An auto-darkening helmet can also be used. The welding process can be accelerated by the Orion when doing multiple consecutive welds. Turn on the argon gas accelerator in the Orion menus to speed up the welding process. The first pulse will provide a long argon pulse to remove all oxygen from the line. Subsequent welds will use much less shielding gas and will be accelerated by the Orion's computer. To remove the welding electrode, gently pull on the gas flow stylus cone and then unscrew the electrode collet. For different sized electrodes you will need different collets. Always use a diamond wheel to sharpen your welding electrode. Grind the electrode down the length of the shaft to produce parallel lines and not rings. Make a very small flat on the end of the electrode to increase arc stability. Preset weld settings are available to get you started in the welding process. Always start with small amounts of energy and work up in power. Sunstone welding technology produces high peak energy to start the welding process, and the energy gradually tapers off. This means that setting the pulse length to 100% will give you the most energy taper and will also result in a smoother weld puddle. The Orion PA230 is simple to use but has the versatility to take on any project.